Hey guys, it's Daisy from Currys, and today we're taking a look at the top 3 features of the Hotpoint electric ceramic cooker. The steam function ensures that your dishes are cooked with the perfect texture. The fan cooker spreads heat from corner to corner to ensure that your food is cooked evenly, and the catalytic liners makes cleaning really quick and easy. So we're going to head over to the lab now to take a look at these features in a little bit more detail. When it comes to cooking your favourite baked goods, fish and meats, the steam function comes in really handy. This is what gives you those perfect consistencies and textures inside and out by pumping steam into the cavities during the cooking process, which in turn levels up the humidity whilst it's cooking away. As you can see, we've got some rolls in the oven. I can't wait to see how they look. Now, I know they're going to be a bit hot, but I actually can't wait to dive into these. They look amazing. Look at that perfect break. You can really go big at dinner time and cook big, tasty family meals. You get 2 full fan ovens to take advantage of, which distribute heat evenly to every single corner. You can combine them or use them independently, so you can whip up multiple dishes at the same time. The last thing any of us want to be doing in our spare time is cleaning our ovens. So luckily this Hotpoint cooker helps to keep the inside clean with its catalytic liners. Now these special liners absorb any grease splatters, which then burn away once the oven reaches 200 degrees Celsius. And then all you need to do is get a wet cloth and wipe anything left over. So it's really simple and easy. If you'd like any more info on the Hotpoint cooker, you can visit us here in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.